Hello and welcome to Caravan Escapades. I hope everybody's keeping safe and well. This is not going to be a normal vlog. It's going to be a very quick, short one, just to let you know that I can't do a normal vlog this week because I'm currently away working. I'll tell you what I'll do. If you guys can guess where I am at the moment, the first person to guess correctly in the comments below, you get to choose one item from the Giggly Plinth store and we'll ship that out to you. So the first person that can guess where I am gets to choose an item from the Giggly Plinth store. But what I'll do towards the end of this vlog, just to give you a bit of a hint, I'll pan the camera around and see if you can guess where I am. Also, just to let you know, there are some good vlogs coming up. We've obviously got the Waste Master and the AquaMate from Colpaz. We'll do an unboxing on those, so you can see all of those. That's the new products from Colpaz. Also, within a few weeks' time, I'm going to be taking the caravan away with me for work. We're heading off down to Cornwall. I'm going to do a few days away without Claire and Darcie-May. They're going to join me, so we'll do a vlog on using the caravan for work and combining it with a holiday. We've got a few other bits coming your way as well. We've got a vlog on simple awning repairs, those sorts of things. So there's quite a bit still to come. So again, sorry that I've not been able to do a proper vlog this week, but what I'll do, let me pan out with the camera and give you a hint of where we might be. So let's take a look. Any hints, any ideas? Let's pan round so you can see. Not very much to go on. Some of you might get it, some of you might not. The only clue that I will give you is I am not in the UK at the moment. So there we go. No normal vlog this week, just a very quick one for you to say sorry, but give you kind of an idea of the vlogs that we've got coming up. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hit that notification bell, and we shall see you on the next one.